Before we dive into the video, I have a couple really exciting announcements for this week. We have the first premiere of Easy Slider happening in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Skylar Wilson's film. It's probably the coolest film that the skimboarding community has had in probably a decade. If you'd like to know more information about Easy Slider and the premiere dates, I'm going to put all the US premiere dates in the description below, so go check that out. Hope to see you at one of those premieres. It's going to be a good time. Bring your smiles, your friends, family. In other exciting news, if you haven't noticed already, we've done a little rebranding of the Skid Kids YouTube channel and of my other social channels, and that is because we are finally putting together a website. Took me a while to figure out how to do that, but it's going to be live this week. You can go check out the welcome page right now. It is up and running. I'm going to leave a link in the description to that as well. Be super stoked if you checked it out. I'm wearing one of the t-shirts that we're going to offer on there. It's going to be a family-run operation right out of South Laguna here. Definitely started out small. Quantities are pretty limited. Hopefully we can continue growing and putting out new stuff for you guys. Enjoy the rest of this video. This was the session that dislocated my shoulder. It was also a really incredible session because it was probably the best day at Aliso that I've maybe ever skimboarded. Some of the best conditions I've seen down there. It was the Code Red swell, highly anticipated swell that worked its way across the entire South Pacific, hit Tahiti first, hit Hawaii, finally made it to us, and when it landed on the shore of Aliso, it was something I've never seen before. There were very sizable waves breaking right on the sand and breaking me on the sand. So we're healing up good. Shoulder was dislocated and I had a little torn labrum, but everything is going to be fine. Got one more month of recovery. It's been about a month or so since it happened. Really excited to get back in the water and keep spreading the stoke. Yeah, thank you all for watching and hope you enjoyed this video.
Have gotten all day, other than Sammy's good wave. Yeah, Sammy!
All right.
Woo!
Yeah, you got it. Come back.
Come back.
Are you okay, Blair? His arm's out. Is it completely out right now? I mean, I can't move it.
Yeah. This will take you to the ER, Blair?
I've seen it done before, but I wouldn't say I'm comfortable enough to do it. Me. Want to try to do it? No, because it's also possibly not out.
Yeah.
This is like exactly what Adrian Raza just did. I don't know. I don't even know if it's out.
It looks low.
But I can't move it.
Yeah, this part looks too low.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's.
Yeah, I think it's separated.
Oh, it's been better. Have you dislocated your shoulder before? I have not, but it's probably what it is.
So here's the thing, we can try and sling it up. Do you want to wait my supervisor on the way down?
Yeah.
You want to wait and see, they're both EMTs. How's the pain? 1 out of 10.
Not bad at all, actually.
Really? What you do, you just took a fall and landed on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're coming down from the door.
Give him a hug.
Washed out? Hey, that's my.
I think.
Need water?
Margarita.
You need one
We'll get you one.
I'll get you a margarita.
If you want to ride somewhere, I'll go grab my truck right now.
Yeah.
All right, do you want to ride over there?
Yeah, to take you.
I'll go grab my truck.
Yeah. They'll still probably come down. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay.
Need water or anything.
Here's Sam. He's an EMT. You can do whatever.
Oh yeah. Sam, you want to pop stuff back in?
I know. Well, it's up to you. Like, I know how to do it, but
But it
I
is
don't want
Sammy.
to. Do we know that it's for sure popped out and not just like, well, it's probably take your suit off, but for that you're gonna have to bring your arm up.
Yeah.
I would just wait.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just gonna wait. So how they do it, Blair?
Yeah.
Probably do the same thing at the hospital. You'll lay it like this
Yeah.
with your arm down,
Yeah.
and they're gonna fully rotate it up and around.
Yeah.
And that like movement will like pop the
it back
socket
in.
back in.
Yeah.
Blair, I've done this before. I've popped my shoulder out, and all I did was twist my hand a little bit,
Yeah.
and it kind of popped back in.
Okay.
I mean, I know that you're probably in pain right now.
Yeah, I mean just moving the arm.
Yeah.
It hurts so bad, dude.
But that's just
I mean, I don't even know if it's popped out, man.
Just put it by your side. Just twist your hand around a little bit. Sometimes I can grab your. It's not working.
Cam's here.
Do you need your wallet?
Yes.
Oh yeah, and your. What should I do with your board bag?
Banking back
Good.
in.
Good luck, Blair.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it. All right.
It didn't look like anything that crazy
It looked
either.
like what he always does pretty much. But it only takes one.
Yep.
Yeah, I think I overexerted myself a little bit. You know, I was thinking like if you cut basically all the way up to the neck,
Yeah.
then you could like easily peel down the wetsuit.
That's true.
So I almost feel like we should.
Here, I can.
Yeah,
work.
how's that? How's
yeah,
that?
Yeah, I can work around
Yeah.
otherwise.
Bought this wetsuit yesterday.
It's the wetsuit's fault. Nope, I didn't say that.
Give a haircut while you're at it.
Yeah.
Asking for your money back. It didn't work out.
Yeah.
That's a
Yeah,
good-
just a little bit of sand. All right.
Oh,
Well, exfoliated your shoulder at the same time.
yeah.
These are good scissors.
Yeah.
if there is any.
While I spent 3 hours in the hospital, this is what Sam Stinnett continued to do down at Aliso.